Hello, I'm inside the 2015 Mercedes S-Class W222. This is the original factory media, which is not support Apple Carplay. But in this video, I'm going to share you, we already install the Apple Carplay into the factory screen. So how we're going to start it is from here, the back button, same as the other Mercedes model that we did. Hold it for 2 seconds. And then we have the CarPlay here. And this CarPlay actually is already connected with my iPhone 11, and I'm still able to, it's connected in a wireless, no wire, and I'm still managed to recording this video from my iPhone 11. So which means I can do things separately, and the CarPlay function is and display will be still here, no effect. Now we go to the function. So if let's say we want to use navigation, we enter Waze now. Okay, so now we already have the Waze in the big display here. It's so convenient, and it's functioning like our phones. We have the history. Okay, just pick one, say this one.
You ready? I am. Let's go.
So now we have the best and latest navigation, the Waze in our S-Class now. And of course in the CarPlay, it's like it's same like the CarPlay in others car. We can also play our music, Spotify, whatever you have, like YouTube music, jokes, all that, together with the Navi. And everything looks original. Steering function is working, volumes control workings, and camera. So when you engage to reverse, the camera will be just appear there. This is a panoramic view camera of the Mercedes Benz class. Okay, so this is it. Contact us if you are interested in this upgrade, and thanks for your watching. See you next.